Previously, I already made a video in my channel on how to make realistic AI Instagram influencer for free using TensorArt. Make sure to watch that video as well after this one. But today, we now have a more powerful tool exclusively for building influencers. You may use this tool to make your influencer grin, alter her posture, and even create videos. And the best part, you can use trending Instagram posts for your image and swap faces with a click of a button. This can be also done for TikTok video, where you have to paste the TikTok reel link. So, make sure to watch the video till the end not to miss any details, allowing you to create the best images and videos as possible. Everything about this tool is configurable because its purpose is to generate influencers. Let's now dive deep into this tool. Alright, the tool I'm referring to is known as SynthLife. Utilizing this all-in-one tool is incredibly easy and simple. First of all, you have to create the face of your influencer. To create a good face, you have to give it some celebrity names. Let's say I'm going to type Margot Robbie and Eva Green, and the hair color will be brown. Hit the update button, and this will start creating the face of your influencer. So, this is the final output. But if you don't like this image, you can click on the update button again, and this will regenerate the face of your influencer. I like this one. Before we move on, I want to acknowledge the YouTube cheat sheet PDF guide that played a crucial role in launching not just one, but 6 distinct channels across various niches, all of which were faceless. If you're juggling a 9-to-5 job but aspire to generate additional income each month and possibly transition to being your own boss in the future, click the link in the description. This guide provides comprehensive insights into creating videos and earning money on YouTube. Its original value is around $100, but by using the link below, you can access it for just $9.99 now. Why not spend $10 on a playbook which could potentially change your life when you spend tons of money on things that do not matter in the long term? Coming back to the video, the next process is creating the images. To create the images, click on Start Creating. You also have different options like Auto Generate, Photo Studio, Image Clone. Let's try the Photo Studio first. Inside the Photo Studio, you can type the clothing, the dress she should be wearing, define the background or place. In the clothing section, I'm going to type leather jacket, and the background will be indoor. In the pose section, I would like to go with the random one, and the number of images can be anything you like. And the aspect ratio will be 1:1, because only this aspect ratios work on Instagram and Twitter. Hit Generate. It might take a minute or two. Here we have the images, and you can see the screen texture looks really good. The best thing is that we have the same character. It may look different because of different poses and lighting conditions, but it's the same character. You can try different clothing, poses, and if you want to make her smile, click on the smile button and hit generate. If you're a lazy person and don't want to specify any prompt and clothing, you can try the auto generate feature. Click on auto generate, and here you just have to click on the generate button, and this will automatically generate clothes with random poses and even add the location. You also have an NSFW filter, but I'm going to turn it off. Here are the output results. Automatically generated 7 different images with different poses, environments, and clothes. The quality is really good. Let's say if you have any image and want to copy the pose, you also have that option. For that, click on Image Clone, upload the reference image, and hit Generate. Here are the output images, and she exactly matches the pose of the input image. Not only the pose, but everything looks really similar. If you're running out of ideas and want to find viral images to regenerate, you also have that option. Click on InstaFeed. Here you can see the most engaging images on Instagram right now. If you want to create a similar image, click on Create Similar. This will start generating the image. If you want to find your recreated image, click on Your Creatives. Here are the output results. 2 different variations, high definition and low definition. You can download your images and even add them to your gallery. If we look at the first image, zooming in, the eyes are really good, the background is similar, the dress and pose, everything is similar and realistic. This is really crazy. Next, you have the option to generate a video for your influencer. Click on Create Video. Here you have the TikTok reface option. Paste the link of the TikTok video and hit upload. This is the reface version of the video. Obviously there is background music, but I had to turn it off due to copyright issues. This is the all-in-one tool where you can generate images and also use reference videos to create a consistent influencer. In the free plan, get some credits on a daily basis, but if you're serious about influencers, you can purchase the premium plan. I hope you learned something new. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Also, make sure to check out the YouTube playbook from the link below.